Let's see how you can use quick replies and buttons when building simple chatbot automations. You can also see the difference as well. So here I'm in a demo icon with all these channels connected. So let me go to the flow section. So here let me go to the flow section and let me create a new flow, and let me name this particular flow as quick replies versus buttons, and click continue. Alright, so here by default you will see this particular send message block over here. So here if you click on add content, so let's say we want to send a message. In this case you have the option to add specific buttons. So here this is a button example, and here this is a quick reply. So here if you click on this particular add button over here, you can simply add a specific button label, and when you use buttons you also have the option to send them to a specific website as well. Here you can also add up to 3 buttons, and these buttons will look vertically as you can see here. So you can only add maximum 3 buttons, and when you add a quick reply button, here these quick reply will be visible horizontally. So here if you click on quick reply, you have all these options, but you cannot use quick replies to send user to a website. Another important thing is that quick replies buttons will simply disappear as soon as they click on it, but buttons will visible as forever. And let's see how to use this one. So for example, let me delete all these quick replies over here for now, and let's start with using a button. So let me say, thanks for reaching out, how can I help you today? So in this case let me add a button here, and let me name this button label as visit website, and in this case let me say add the website address as chatbots.com. Alright, so here click on save. So when they tap on this button, it will simply go to Chatting Media, and let me add another button over here, and let me say book a call. So in this case you can add different links. For example, let me say call.chattingmedia.com. so if they tap on this button book a call, it will take them directly to the calendar to book the appointment. So here let me add one more button here. So here let me add the third button as quick reply demo. So here when they tap on this quick reply demo, it will show them how the quick reply gonna look like. So here you can send them right here and start another message. So here let me say, this is how the quick replies gonna look like. So here instead of adding any sort of buttons, let me add the quick replies. So here you can tap on this quick reply, and let me say yes, let's do it. And when you add these buttons and quick replies, you can also add any sort of emojis as you like as well. So this is one quick reply, and here let me add another quick reply. No, just for the demo I'm just adding these quick replies just for the demo. So here these quick replies will show horizontally, and you can add up to 11 quick replies. But when it comes to button, you can add only 3 buttons vertically, but quick replies you can actually add up to 11 as well. So for example, you can add like 11 quick replies. So here you can name these quick replies as you like, and here when they tap on these quick replies, you can send them specific messages as well. So for example, if they say yes, you can send this message, and if they say no, you can send another message as you like as well. So there is a different type of options over here. So if they tap no, let's send this message. So likewise you can actually send different messages when they tap on different quick replies. So let's keep this as a simple demo right here, and let me publish this one over here. Alright, so now we can trigger this particular automation. So let me go to the marketing tools over here, and let me trigger this via Instagram comments. So let me go to the Instagram comments automation. Let me create a new one, and let me say quick reply buttons, and here you can select specific post or all post. Just for the demo, let me choose all post and private replay. So in this case the private replay will be this one, and you can also add public comment replies if you want. So let me say send you a DM. Yes, you can actually add different variations as well if you want, likewise. And here comments equal. So in this case let me add a keyword saying button. So if they comment as button, then we want to trigger this automation. So let's see what happens. And here you can even delay this one as well. So let me save this one for now. Alright, it has been saved, so make sure to activate this one. So now let's test this on the Instagram. So here this is the particular flow we just created. So here let me share my phone screen over here. I'm in the Instagram. So let me open a random post over here, and the comment, which is the keyword button. So this should actually trigger an automation and send us this particular welcome message in the DM. So let's see how this actually works. So here it has already added the comment reply as well. So let me check the message we received. So here it says, thanks for reaching out. How can I help you today? So here there are 3 buttons, maximum 3 buttons you can add, and all these buttons are displayed vertically as you can see here. So if I tap on this button, visit website, it will take them directly to the website, or book a call will take them directly to the calendar. Otherwise, quick reply demo will take them directly to the next step right here as well. So let me tap on this button, visit website. So here it take me directly to the website right here. Let me tap on this button, quick reply demo, and see how this actually works. So it should actually take me directly to the next step right here. And here these quick reply buttons are shown horizontally right here. So these buttons are displayed vertically, and these quick reply buttons are shown horizontally, and you can actually scroll like this and choose any options as you like. So in this case, let me choose let's do it and see if you actually receive this particular message as well. So here I choose let's do it, and it simply sending me this message, simple as that. As you can see in this particular chat, when they tap on these quick reply buttons, all of the options simply disappear, but in the case of buttons, these buttons will show up as well. So even now I can simply click on book a call and go to the calendar as well. So here I am in this particular calendar, simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can use quick replies and buttons when building chatbot flows. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.